it all for my hometown. You better get it, my friends telling me don't forget it. I tell them never, even though they know I gotta leave. You know my heart, it beats for your every artery. Flows for your live, for your die, for your I know it's gotta be hard. I'm against all odds, and y'all be thinking I'm gone, but I'm not. I'm thinking about you every bar in the spot. You kids will be the reason I pop. Come from the suburbs, troublemaking motherfuckers. I knew one day we grow up, but I really gotta go and have fun first. Remember hot summers, spent the winter under the covers. Smoking up in your basement, my face is melting like butter. Got your back if you got my back. Mini man, we gon' aim for the sky. Doesn't feel like I can fall right now. Ain't nobody gon' shit on my pride. Cause on my high, peace to all of my fam and all of my friends and all of my team. Everybody pushing this behind the scenes. We about to see the finer things like, yeah, I know my head getting bigger and I'm ego tripping, but you know I did it for you. All the dough I'm missing, all the flows I've written, all the shows I did them for you. 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 You know I did them for you. I did them for you. I did them for you. You know I did them for you. Everything we worked for is about to pay off. Took a day off work, but ain't taking the day off. Things come to you when you do you. You doing someone else, you're either pimping or it's voodoo. Man, I be on it, do what you do, cause you do it, do. Used to walk around screaming to myself like a Bluetooth. Now that they listening, I'm just doing my shit again. Kid is fresh on the scene, dirty bread to a peppermint. Told Lusty, trust me, we doing things that nobody can. You love to hate, can see you lying, no polygraph. So my family, I'ma win it. I'm just trying to go hard this instant. Just trying to regard this pippin' till I'm twisted, till I'm dipping in my grave. I'ma be on my way, bet this shit on my life, put this shit on my name. Peace to all of my fam and all of my friends and all of my team. Everybody pushing this behind the scenes. We about to see the finer things like, yeah, I know my head getting bigger and I'm ego tripping, but you know I did it for you. All the dough I'm missing, all the flows I've written, all the shows I did them for you. 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 You know I did them for you. I did them for you. I did them for you. You know I did them for you.
Hey yo, I'm an Illuminati.
I'm addicted to the feeling of success. Since my first taste of it, I was hooked. Man, I ain't got no diamonds on my neck, but I wouldn't pay for them if I could. Good. I ain't your typical trying to make you feel minuscule little dude out of middle school screaming swag, swag. I ain't that rapper with bitches up in the swimming pool showing you my watch in my interviews. Swag. Man, it's really my time. Give you my heart, give you my life. Been on my grind, killing these tracks, spilling my guts. These are pure facts in the limelight. Take my spot back, Nobody get it, I'm a leader of a new gang. Look at the problems that the truth brings. What you really wanna do with the new king? Change your color of your face like a moon ring. Yeah, it's no big deal. Sitting on the toilet while I show my skill. How do me, you can sign that deal. Now you know it's real. I'm stuck in my ways, my fault, my bad. I'm sorry, I'm stuck in my ways, and I know it's forever and always, yeah, yeah.